today we are going to review All India RPS Olympiad, which was conducted today on 27th Feb, and this is the Phase 2 Olympiad. So let's get started. The first question here is: Do not zeal dash the poor beggar. So the answer would be upon. The next question is: I prevail dash him to join a college. So the answer would be on. तो अगला हमारा क्वेश्चन है: neither of them dash the standard required. So the answer would be reaches. The fourth is: she and not you is at fault. So here is our answer. So fifth, many persons went to see the hanging of the patriot. So हमें यहाँ पे ये जो सेंटेंस गिवन है ये एक्टिव में है और हमें इसे पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट करना है. So the answer here is: the hanging of the patriot is seen by many of persons. Now sixth is: thank God. So the answer would be: God is thanked by us. Seventh, we believe in helping each other. So each other जो यहाँ पे है that is reciprocal pronoun. So the answer would be D. I myself solve the problem. So myself is here reflexive pronoun. So the answer would be A. Ninth, dash I don't like this vegetable. So I don't like this vegetable is the answer, which is option number B. The size of the shirt is dash, then I demanded, is little. So A is our answer. Nobody is present here. So here we have to do the question tags. So answer would be are they. After I dash him a week, he asked for a loan of 10,000 rupees. After I know here is the answer जो यहाँ पे C option है. So 13th question is: if you dash your superiors, you will never come to grief. So here A would be our answer. Now 14th, would that I were rich, said the poor beggar. So ये जो sentence है ये हमें direct speech में दे रखा है and we have to convert it in indirect speech. So the answer would be: the poor beggar wished that he had been rich. 15th question is: he said, "Oh, for a glass of water." So here we have to tell what was his nature while we asked the question. Like when the person asked him for the glass of water, how was his reaction? So she exclaimed with grief for a glass of water. Now let's come to maths. The supplement of an angle is 60 degree more than twice the complement of the angle. Find the angle. So here B is our option, which is 30. If the perimeter of a right angled triangle is 30 centimeter and the length of its hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, then what can be the length of other two sides? So here one right angle triangle is given to us and its hypotenuse is also given. So we have to find the other two sides and the answer would be our D, which is 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter. So here it's in the 18th question, it's given that triangle ACB is congruent to triangle DFE. Then we have to find angle E, and the diagram is over here. You can see the row. Now here it's given the figure, and the answer would be our option number A, which is 4 degree. 19th, if x% of y is the same as 4 by 5 of 80, then the value of xy is. So here we have given that if x% of y is the same as 4 by 5 of 80, तो हमें यहाँ पे x and y की वैल्यू निकालनी है. So x and y here would be multiplication of x into y. So here the answer is D, which is 6,400. Now 20 question. A person sells 320 mangoes at the cost price of 400 mangoes. What is his profit percent? So the answer would be D, which is 25%. Now let's come to the 21 question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 6 centimeter and its perimeter is 16 centimeter. We have to find its area. So, in this question, base of a triangle is given which is 6 centimeter and the perimeter of that triangle is 16 centimeter. So here we have to find the area. तो जो हमारा इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा वो होगा 12 centimeter square. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a flower bed if OA is equals to 21 meter and OC is equals to 14 meter. Find the area of bed. So here as we can see this figure, this is ABCD and this is the flower bed. So we have to find its area in this question and the answer here would be A 192.5 meters square. Now come 23rd question. By how much is x power 4 plus 4x square plus y power 4 more than x power 4 minus 8x square plus y power 4? So the answer here would be 12x y square, which is option number A. So now 24th question. If x is equals to 1 and y is equals to minus 2 and z is equals to 3, so we have to find the value of this expression, which is 4xy minus 4z square and divide by x square plus 2xyz. So the answer here would be plus 4, which is option number B. Now come 25th question. So it's given 1 minus 2 in bracket, it's 1 minus 2 again with the power of minus 1 and again with the power of minus 1. So the answer here would be C, which is 1 by 3. Now 26th. If 8 power m minus 1 is equals to 2 power n plus 3, then n is our 3. Here D is our answer. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 1 by 2 ratio 1 by 3 ratio 1 by 4. If the perimeter of the triangle is 52 centimeter, then what is the length of the smallest side? In this question, the sides of the triangle are given in the ratio, and if the perimeter of the triangle is 52 centimeter, then we have to find the smallest side. So here A is our answer, which is 12 centimeter. Now 28th question. A bag contains red, white and blue marble. The probability of selecting a red marble is 2 by 15 and that of selecting a blue marble is 4 by 15. The probability of selecting a white marble is 3 by 5. So here 3 by 5, which is option number C, is our answer. 29. In a certain hospital, the mean birth rate of a week was 35. If the mean birth rate from Monday to Thursday was 32 and that of the Thursday to Sunday was 36, find the number of births on Thursday. So it is given that in a certain hospital, the mean birth rate uh, वो थी 35 and if the mean birth rate from Monday to Thursday was 32 and Thursday to Sunday was 36, so we have to find the number of births on Thursday. So the answer here would be 27, which is our option number B. Now 30. What must be subtracted from each term of the ratio 4:7 so that the ratio become 2:5? So हमें यहाँ पे ये बताना है कि 4:7 में से हम कितना माइनस करें कि हमारा आंसर 2:5 आ जाए. So the answer here would be C, which is our option number which is 2. Now let's come to science. 31 question. An erect image 5 times the size of the image of 5 times the size of the object is obtained with the concave mirror of radius corrective 40 centimeter. What is the position of the image? So here the answer would be C, which is our option 80 centimeter. If three resistors of resistances 2 ohm, 4 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in a parallel, if a 6 volt battery is connected across the circuit, Calculate the value of total current of the circuit. So here option number D would be our answer, which is 5.5a. Now let's come to 33rd question, which is a copper wire of resistance 16 ohm is doubled on it. Calculate the new resistance of wire. So here the answer is 8 ohm. Of 34th question. Find the amount of heat energy released when 2 gram of water is cooled from 70 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius. The specific heat capacity of water is 4.2 J divided by G power Z degree C. So here the answer would be uh, this. Our answer would be 504 J. So, 35th question. A train moves with the speed of 30 km per hour in the first 15 minutes, with another speed of 40 km per hour the next 15 minutes, and then with the speed of 60 km per hour in the last 30 minutes. Calculate the average speed of the train for this journey. So here our answer would be 47.5 km per hour, which is option number D. Now 36th question. Identify the wrong statement. Soil helps forest to grow and regenerate. This is correct. Forests influence climate and water cycle. This is also correct. C. Forests protect the soil from erosion. This is also correct. Now, fourth, here it is plants and animals in a forest are not dependent on each other. So, this sentence is absolutely wrong because they are dependent on each other. Why do swimmers float in Dead Sea? It is because salt make the water dense. So, option A is our answer. Which of the following in the function of air is the function of air? So, it protects our internal organs, which is there in the option number B. Now 39th. When magnesium is burnt, heat and light are produced. The burning of magnesium is a chemical and exothermic change which is given in our option number C. Now come our 40th question, 41st question. Choose the function of the pancreatic juice from the following statement. So here the answer would be D, which is trypsin digest proteins and lipase emulsified fats. Now come 42. Which of the following statements are correct? So here D is our answer, which is 1 and 4. If the cut end of a tree is put in EOC solution, so here our answer would be xylem elements get stained showing essence of sap through them. 44. The blood leaving the tissue become richer in carbon dioxide is our answer, which is option number A. The organism which can reproduce by fragmentation are option number C. Now let's come to reasoning. So the first question is find the missing term in the given series. So it is 5824, then 5242 dash 4247. So after that 3823. So here our answer would be B. Now come next question. Next is analogy. 182 ratio dash proportion 210 ratio 380. So here our answer would be D. 48. If Madras can be written as Arsaris, how can ARKONAM be written in that code? So here it will be written as ROAKANM, which is our option number B. Now come if ZIP is equals to 198 and ZAP is equals to 246, then how will be the U code VIP? So I want to tell that this question's options are wrong and the answer would be 174. Now come next question. 50. Pointing to a photograph, a man said, I have no brother or sister, but the man's father is my father. So I will explain you this question that one man points to a photo which is a man and he said that उसके कोई भाई बहन नहीं है बट जो ये इंसान है इसके जो फादर है वो मेरे भी फादर है। सो तो ये फोटो किसकी होगी? तो ये फोटो उसकी खुद की होगी, बिकॉज ही डोंट हैव एनी ब्रदर और सिस्टर। Now come 51st question. A, B, C and D are to be seated in a row, but C and D cannot be together. Also, B cannot be at the third place. Which of the following must be false? So here C is our option. Now come 52. 52, here we have to solve this, and 16 would be our answer. 53rd, at the end of a business conference, the 10 people present all shake hands with each other. How many handshakes will be there altogether? There would be total of 90 handshakes. Now 54th. If A plus D is equals to B plus C, then A plus E is equals to C plus D. 2C, A is greater than 2C, and 2A is greater than B plus D. Then we have to arrange them, and here B is our answer. Now, wait a moment. Yeah. In a dice, A, B, C, and D are written on the adjacent faces in a clockwise order, and E and F at the top and the bottom. When C is at the top, which will be at the bottom? So here it's shown that A, B, and C and D are written in adjacent faces. Means if A is here, B would be here, and C would be there, and D would be down. Sorry, D is here, and F would be down. So if C would be at the top, then A would be at the down, because they are opposite to each other. Now come next question. 8 ratio 66 proportion to question mark and ratio 38. So here our answer would be 90. In the following series, how many kgn occur in such a way that G is in the middle and K and N are the adjacent on both the sides? So you can see the series here, and our answer would be C. If ASHA Asha equals 79 and Vinay Bhushan is equals to what? So here in this question it would be like ASHA like this, and A comes at 1st place and S is equals to 19, 8 and 1. So we have taken their opposite and added them. Then the answer would be 79. Then how will Vinay Bhushan be coded? So it would be coded as their opposite and then their sum. You can do it. Now 59th, which is for this diagram. So we have to solve this question mark here. So we have to multiply 4 and 3. 4 threes are 12. Wait a second. 4 threes are 12 and 3 twos are 6. Now we will multiply them both and the answer would be 72. Now 9 and 10, which is 9 tens are 90 and 4 twos are 8. 90 and 8 we will multiply, which will give us the answer 720. And here 6 ones are 6, 26 are 120, and we will multiply both of them and our answer will be 720 again. Yeah, now our last question. In a line of boys, Aman is 12th from top and Burman is 18th from bottom. If there are 6 boys between Aman and Burman, then how many maximum boys are there in the row? The answer would be 36. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.